You may know seaweed best from seeing it along our beaches, but did you know it's also a delicious and nutritious food that we can use as a tool to combat climate change? Seaweed is a great source of protein and nutrients and also a delicious ingredient that we can add to salads and soups, sauces, and more. You can also find seaweed in things like ice cream and pasta. By responsibly farming seaweed, we can produce more nutritious food with a lesser impact on the environment, including we can also combat climate change. Seaweed absorbs the excess of nutrients that go to the ocean from cities and farms, and also carbon dioxide. As a result of this, the ocean is a more comfortable place for marine animals and also people that use the ocean to live, to work, and to play. If you want to learn more about seaweed and the way that it supports a more sustainable future that's more resilient and where we can get plenty of nutritious food, please visit seafoodforthefuture.org.